Abandoned here in the mountains. Hello? Anybody home? This is creepy, man. I feel like Norman Bates is about to come here and stab me in the back. Damn, it feels like the Bates Motel up in here.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
Abandoned here in the mountains. This is in the mountaintops of North Carolina. Check this out. This is awesome, man. Check this out, dude. I love abandoned places, man. It's really sad. These don't look to be that old. Check it out. Hello? Anybody home? Check that out, dude. Dude, what is it? Somebody living in here? It's got 2 beds in here. Just got the door open, man. That's crazy. Damn, it feels like the Bates Motel up in here. Shit. It's about to get dark too. I better hurry up and get out of here, man. Wow. Look at this. They just leave these rooms wide open like this? Hello? Anybody here? That old raggedy couch in here. Damn. Check this out. It's sad to see these places go out of business like this, but this, I swear, man, this seems like the Bates Motel, dude. This is this is creepy, man. Check that out, dude. These are small as heck, man. Do they even have a bathroom in here? Oh, there's the bathroom there. Check it out. Oh, man. I feel like Norman Bates is about to come here and stab me in the back. This is trippy, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is creepy, man. I just happened to come across this driving through the mountains aimlessly. I'm just freewheeling it here in the North Carolina mountains. Check this out. This is open here, man. They just leave these joints open, bro. Check it out. Wow. I mean, the place doesn't look like it's in, dire condition. Check it out. It even has a drive-through here, dude. Check it out. Seems like these places, maybe I can contact them and maybe I can revamp this place, buy it, hook it back up, renovate this place and get it up and running again. Look at all the traffic that comes through here. There's no reason why this can't do well, man. Hey, there is the inside there. Ah, it's a shame. What the heck is this, man? You know what? It's a shame that people, put graffiti and vandalize these abandoned places. Hopefully nobody comes out here and does that to this place, man. So I'm not disclosing the location of this place because I don't want you morons to come out here and vandalize or put graffiti everywhere on this joint and steal stuff. The mountain air is so crisp up here. It's such a beautiful area. It's surprising this hotel went out of business. The Bates Motel. Oh, look at this, man. Look at that, baby. We're up in the mountaintops. Air is nice and crisp up here. It's cooler up here, as usual in the higher elevations. Check it out. Got somebody's old raggedy single wide down there, man. Living up here in the mountain hood. This looks like an abandoned restaurant up here in the mountaintops here. Let's take a look and see here. Check this out. It's got an old time jukebox here, man. Wow, check this out. Abandoned action here, dude. Wow, check it out. abandoned, man. They got newspapers up here. I love like little like quaint diners up in the mountains. That's sick, man. Too bad it's closed. That sucks, man. Damn, I'd have had me a nice little meal here if they were open. Check it out. Look down here, man. Got some hood action down here, dude. Zoom in. Like, what the heck is that, dude? Freaking beautiful, man. My God. Absolutely love it up here. The air, I'm telling you, the weather has been absolutely beautiful here. Up here in the mountains, my time that I've been here so far. What this was called, the VIE something. For those of you guys that know what this restaurant was, or leave a comment below. I'd love to know the history on it. Isn't this beautiful? Wow, here in North Carolina, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the mountains in the background. Here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Look at that, the beautiful mountain vista. A lot of little mom and pop shops. I don't like the looks of the campgrounds around these parts. All bunch of RVs jammed together. I hate that. Look at that mountain vista. Absolutely beautiful. Here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Nice. I'm loving all of the little mountain towns all throughout North Carolina and the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. I'd love to go see that abandoned amusement park that's way up in the mountains, man, but I hear they're cracking down and arresting people. That's the last thing I need, is to get arrested up here, and then next thing you know, my van gets impounded, and it just sets it up for a string of real effed up days, and I don't want to deal with that, man. Check it out. What do we got over here? What the heck is that? That's called Tube World. Cataloochee ski area. Wow, they got skiing here. Nice. Nothing like Colorado, but then again, I like it better here because it's not as dry as it is in Colorado. You don't get all the stupid forest fires here like you do in Colorado. It creates bad air quality. But I'm really digging this. I don't know, man. I gotta figure out. I've been winging this, guys. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna stay each night, man. I'm just rolling. Just trying to find something, and like I said, you know, just trying to find somewhere where I could just roll up in a parking lot and stay overnight. But you got to be careful with that, because you actually, you know, you get that knock at like 4 in the morning. That's the word. I've never had that, knock on wood, but I've seen many people deal with that, so that's the last thing I want to deal with. I have no idea where I'm going, but it's getting dark here, and that's been my problem, is that by the time I find somewhere to go, it's about to get dark. I can't pull out my electric motorcycle. I've yet to pull it out. This trip has been totally unplanned. I just jumped into, you know, my van and said I just got to get the heck out of here. And that's what I did, man. It was just nice to get away. You know what I'm saying? Even if everything doesn't go to plan, but it's been really cool so far. I've been really appreciating and loving my time up here in the mountains of North Carolina. It's been absolutely beautiful. I love the diversity in the areas. It's not just a bunch of hick towns or anything. You got all kinds of folks out here. Hippies, progressive, hip hop. You got everything, man. Or should I say urban? They like to pair like hip hop and urban. You know what I'm saying? So they got ghettos out here. They got a lot of crime. They got a lot of homeless out here. You'd be surprised, man. There's a whole night scene, a whole different world at night that comes out. And I went walking around at night in Asheville, and I felt like I was almost about to get robbed, man. This dude rolled up on me on a bicycle, and he went and hid behind a sign in a dark area that I was gonna pass. And I saw what he's gonna do. You know, I grew up in the hood, or, you know what I'm saying? So I know all the what shit people pull. So I blazed out of there, ran as fast as I could away from out of there, and ran back to my motel, man. Look at that little shops. Look at that. That's cool. These little stores and shops up here in the mountains, man. That's really cool. I have no idea where I'm going, guys, but I gotta find somewhere where I can camp out overnight, man, without getting bothered by the cops. Check it out here, dude. Boondocking 101. Nice and up front here. Got the sunscreens up. And parked here so no cars in the back. And let's try to, hopefully everything will be all right. Here's stealth camping in the Fairfield Inn parking lot. And I put on my cameras, and what do I see? I got a camera out. So luckily I did bring a backup camera, but I'll have to do that tomorrow. We're gonna bake some fish here, some salmon here in this oven. See how good it turns out. Check this out. Salmon made in the smart oven, potatoes in the microwave, and the broccoli on the induction stove. Came out to perfection. Make sure to hit thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps my channel when you do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when my new videos release. But I release new videos religiously every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate all you